morning. This is John from Homestead Evolution, and it is cold. It's 9 degrees out here. Feels like 3. But the sun's shining, so that's a good thing. I'm going to take you over here to my pile where I keep my sawdust. I keep sawdust for my quail dropping pans to help collect some of the moisture, cut down on the odor, and then I put that in my compost pile. And you get to see that as well and see the mistake that I made. Once again, the good and the bad with homesteading. Just a simple mistake, but something I'll learn. Some things you don't think about when you're doing them, because I got my mind in 100 different places, all these little projects and so forth. So, long story short, I got my sawdust for my quail pens, changing my quail pens out enough to get me through winter, because the local sawmill I get it from, road's really not the best on a good day, let alone wintertime. So I tried to avoid that problem. So I got a couple loads, covered them with tarps, and I got these pegs, and I put them in the ground so that way it would keep the rain out and so forth and the snow off. And it's done the job, and it's also froze the pegs to the ground. So that was interesting. I had to rip one of the pegs out, or rip off the end of the tarp, create a divot to get in and get my sawdust. Just one of the little things. Should have probably put some block or some wood. Never thought about the ground freezing. Don't know why, but it just never crossed my mind. So I'll know next year. I'll know when it thaws out. I'll take all the pegs out and go get some wood from a wood pile and lay down here. Just small things. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's staying warm. It seems like any type of chores and work around the homestead gets a little bit more labor intensive in the wintertime, especially when it's 9 degrees or below 0. So just one small thing, one to share. Got some other chores I'm going to do, and I think I'm going to try to start my fodder system back up again. I got some other videos where I cleaned it up, got it all prepped and ready. So I'm going to go ahead and start soaking my seeds, because I usually soak mine overnight, and then start laying them out. I use 10-20 trays, but we'll show all that in another video.